Good morning, students. Welcome to your English online lecture of Standard 2nd. Myself, Miss Pooja, and today you are going to learn subject English. In that, today we are going to learn grammar. So, students, let us see our topic's name that we are going to study in our today's online lecture. So, students, we are learning subject English, grammar, topic preposition. Okay, this is a new topic, preposition. So, today in a grammar we are going to learn topic preposition. I request all the students to open your Navjeevan term book, combined book number 4. So students, take out your combined book number 4 and also carry a pencil with you. Today we are going to learn topic preposition. Students, open your page number 32 in your combined book. Page number 32, 3 to 32, grammar practice. From a previous online lecture, we have studied the chapters, the lesson from our last unit, that is unit 4. Do you all remember, students? Yes. So the previous topic, the previous chapter that we studied was chapter number 4.9, writing skill. Yes or no? Where all the students have drawn a picture of a lion and a mouse. And also I have saw all the homework of the students. The drawing of the lion and the mouse was very nice, very good. So students, from our today's online lecture, we are going to start with a grammar practice. Page number 32, question number 1. Choose the correct preposition from the help box and complete the sentence. So our question number 1 topic is preposition. Before solving the exercise given on the page number 32, let us study what is preposition. बच्चों, पेज नंबर 32 ग्रामर प्रैक्टिस आज के हमारे ऑनलाइन का टॉपिक रहेगा ग्रामर में preposition. तो preposition स्टार्ट करने के पहले हम preposition के बारे में कुछ जानकारी प्राप्त करेंगे. So students, let us begin learning with a preposition. Subject, grammar, topic, preposition. So students, have you all studied or have you all have any knowledge about what is preposition? So students, in our chapter we have studied about preposition. Yes or no? Do you all remember? Yes. So let us see what is preposition. Prepositions are those words which are placed before a noun, like in, on, under, above, between, below. These all are the prepositions. So let us see about what are the prepositions. So students, let us begin with the definition of preposition. Preposition. Preposition tells us the position of a noun in a sentence. What does preposition tell us? Preposition tells us the position of a noun. Now what is the noun, students? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. So preposition gives us the information of the position of a noun in a sentence. Okay? It comes in between two nouns and shows how they are related to one another. So preposition comes between two nouns. Okay, it comes in the between of the nouns and it shows how they are related to one and another. Okay, so it comes between the noun and it shows the relation. How does it comes? Let us see some prepositions and then we are going to proceed with our example. Some prepositions are I and in, among, among, near near, under under, outside outside, above above, in front front of if in front of, behind behind, far far, from from, over over, between between, below below, below, against against, beside, next, next to, inside. So these all are the prepositions. What does preposition tells us? It tells us the position of a noun in a sentence. It comes in between two nouns and shows how they are related to one another. Okay, so now we are going to see the examples of some prepositions. बच्चों, prepositions क्या होते हैं? prepositions हमें पोजीशन बताते हैं. नाउन में जो सेंटेंस में नाउन होते हैं वो सेंटेंस में नाउन के पोजीशन बताते हैं और वो नाउन के पहले यूज़ किए जाते हैं, उसे कहते हैं प्रेपोजिशन. ओके बच्चों, तो प्रेपोजिशंस यहाँ पर कुछ एक प्रेपोजिशंस दिए गए हैं जैसे in on, near near, under. So let us see with some examples. तो बच्चों अब हम कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स इन प्रेपोजिशंस के स्टडी करने वाले हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. Okay students, now in the picture what can you see? You can see a picture of a table. Okay, now let us study some example of prepositions. The book is on the table. Now book is a noun, it is a thing, and table is also a thing, it is a noun. Now where is the book? How are you going to identify the preposition? बच्चों आप preposition कैसे पहचानोगे? preposition दो nouns के बीच में आते हैं. तो यहाँ पर हमारा noun है book. book चीज़ है, thing है, तो book हमारा noun हुआ. table is also a noun, table भी noun हुआ. अब book कहाँ पर है? Where is the book? book कहाँ पर है? position क्या है? The book is on the table. on यानी टेबल के ऊपर रखी हुई है. सो on is the preposition. तो बच्चों यहाँ पर हमारा preposition क्या है? on. okay, our preposition is on. Now the next example, the book is under the table. अब आप देखो ये बुक कहाँ पर है? टेबल के नीचे. अंडर यानी टेबल के नीचे रखी हुई है. अंडर द टेबल. ओके, सो व्हाट इज अ प्रेपोजिशन? अंडर. UNDER, अंडर. सो हियर इन द सेंटेंस अंडर इज आवर प्रेपोजिशन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, यू कैन सी अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ बास्केट. स्टूडेंट्स, आप सभी बच्चों को बास्केट दिखाई दे रहा है? यस. नाउ लेट अस सी the basket example. The book is in the basket. अब ये बुक कहाँ पर है? बास्केट के अंदर. So what is the position? The position of a book is in the basket. in यानी अंदर. तो ये बुक कहाँ पर रखी है? बास्केट के अंदर. So in is our preposition. Okay, have you all understood the example? Now let us see the next example. So here you can see the example. First is written the red color sentence. The cat is over the rat. Cat, आप देख सकते हो ये बिल्ली कहाँ पर है? रैट के ऊपर. ओवर यानी ऊपर. ओके, OVER, ओवर. नाउ अगेन देर आर टू नाउन्स. तो बच्चों पहले आपको नाउन आइडेंटिफाई करना है, उसके बाद आपको उसका पोजीशन समझेगा कि प्रेपोजिशन कैसे पहचानना है. सेंटेंस के दो नाउन के बीच में प्रेपोजिशन यूज होता है. तो कैट is a name of an animal, it is a noun. Rat is also a name of an animal, it is a noun. So here the preposition is OVER, over. The cat is over the rat. Okay, now the next one, the cat is against the rat. Here you can see against. तो सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल में आप देख सकते हो बच्चों, द कैट इज अगेंस्ट. कैट अगेंस्ट यानी आमने सामने है. अगेंस्ट द रैट, रैट के अगेंस्ट है यानी उसके अपोजिट में है. अगेंस्ट है, उसके खिलाफ है. अगेंस्ट द रैट, AGAINST, अगेंस्ट द रैट. द कैट इज अगेंस्ट द रैट. अगेंस्ट इज आवर preposition. Okay students, now let us move to the next example. So students, let us start with our next example. The cat is far from the rat. Okay, cat is far from the rat. You can see in the sentence the cat, a picture of a cat. You can see cat and rat are very far from each other. Now here first you have to identify the noun in a sentence. So what is the noun? The noun is a cat. Cat is the name of a animal, so it is a noun. Again, rat is the name of an animal. Okay, so between two nouns a preposition you can find. Cat is far, so FAR, far is your preposition. The cat is far from the rat. Okay, it is showing the position. Where is the cat? It is far. Okay, it is showing the position. The cat, it is showing the place. Cat is far from the rat. FAR, far is your preposition. Now take the next example. The cat is near the rat. Now NEAR, near. Near is the preposition. बच्चों आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, कैट इज नियर द रैट. कैट रैट के बिल्कुल नज़दीक है. कहाँ पर है? नज़दीक, नियर. सो नियर इज आवर preposition. हैव यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई द preposition in the sentence? First you have to identify the noun in the sentence. Between the noun, two nouns, you will see the supporting word which is supporting the nouns is our preposition. Okay, now just let us take the next example. The next example, the cat is next to the rat. You can see the cat next to the rat. Where it is next. Next means you can see in the picture. Next means they are sitting opposite to each other. Next, NEXT, next to the rat. So next is our preposition. Now students, here you identify what is the preposition. The cat is among the rats. Among the rats. Now you can see the picture of a cat. Where is the cat? It is among the rats. Okay. Okay, now students, let us see some more examples of the preposition used in the sentence. Okay, now you are going to tell me the answer. First one, the crow is above the lion. Where is the crow? First, identify the noun in the sentence. The crow is a noun. Okay, why? Because the crow, it is a name of a bird. Okay, crow. Lion is again a noun. It is a name of a animal. The crow is above the lion. Above is the preposition, above, above. Okay, you can see the crow flying above the lion. Now the next one, now students, let us see where are the books on the table. Next one, where's the food? In the shopping cart. In is the preposition. Where's the tree? Next to the house. Next to is the preposition. Where's the dog? Under the tree. Under is the preposition. Where's the table? Between the chairs. Between is the preposition. Where's the picture? Above the couch. Above is the preposition. Where's the computer monitor? On the desk. On is the preposition. Where are the toys? In the box. In is the preposition. Where are the shoes? Next to the shelf. Next is the preposition. Where's the chair? Under the umbrella. Under is the preposition. Where's the ball? Between the bags. Now students, I hope that you all have understood the preposition very well. Now here we can identify the preposition and write the answer. So let us do the question number 1. Okay, take a pencil in your hand. Choose the correct preposition from the help box and complete the sentence. You can see there are some box. In that box, some clues are given, some prepositions are given. We have to choose the correct preposition and write the answer. First one, the cat is dash the basket. So the correct answer is in the basket. Okay, write in. Second, the frog is sitting dash the log, on the log. On is the preposition. Write the second answer B, on. C, the horse is dash the stable, in. The horse is in the stable. In is the preposition. The sheep is dash the meadow. Where is the sheep? Near the meadow. NEAR, near. Even the rabbit is sitting dash the tree, under the tree. So write UNDER, under. F, that is last one. There is a mall dash my school, near my school. NEAR, near. Okay, so have you all done? Now let us see the question number 2. Match the columns using preposition given in the middle column and rewrite the sentence. Here you have to match the answer and then you have to rewrite the sentence. Example first is done for you. So this is a homework. This will be your homework. The thief is hiding behind the wall. First you are going to match. The thief is hiding behind the wall. Second, fish lives in the pond. Where does fish lives? In the pond. Now see, this is the homework that you are going to do by yourself. Okay, this will be the homework that how much you all have understood the topic preposition. See, the boy is sitting on the chair. Okay, I sat near the table. The ball is under the table or under the chair. Okay, both answers are correct. So page number 32 you are going to do as your homework. Okay students, I hope that you all have understood today's preposition topic, that is grammar practice. So students, page number 32, do it in your combined book. Stay connected for the next English grammar online lecture. Till then, stay home and stay safe. And students, start practicing for your upcoming test. Okay.